Welcome to Bad Food Vlog, and today we're putting together a barbecue.
It makes sense.
It does.
Cooking show, something what you need to cook with on a cooking show.
It does make sense. Now, stay away while I use the scissors. And be careful what comes out of here. Obviously there's no fire or heat in it at the moment, but I don't want you to get used to touching it thinking,
Okay.
okay, we'll keep the scissors on hand because I don't know.
This
Barbecue is by a company called Texas. We bought it at a local shop. I don't wish to advertise them. And it's an oil drum charcoal barbecue. And it can cook up to 20 burgers at once, which is a bit overkill for but we got a party coming up. So I might do some filming for the party and film me cooking loads of food for the party because I don't get to cook that much food. So that'd be cool.
It's more cardboard.
Yes, there is more cardboard. It's got a warming rack as well. It's got a steel hood and it's ideal for roasting and baking.
Wow,
so it's going to be pretty cool. So we might do some sausages in it today, shall we?
When's the party?
In a couple of weeks.
Couple of weeks.
We don't have to be any more specific, okay?
Okay.
We're filming. Right, now here we go. Oh, and we got parts. Now this barbecue, as you can see, is a long drum shape with 2 wheels.
Long drum shape.
And I don't think it's going to be very heavy because this box isn't very heavy. I mean, it's heavy-ish.
It's heavy.
Stop. That's a wheel.
Yeah, I just found it.
It's like a wheel from one of your plastic toys.
And then
That's a handle.
a handle. Oh, that's from the side. That's for the side of it.
Maybe.
One of the sides.
We have another handle with
Oh wait,
another
that's
bit.
actually for the side of it.
Maybe, Max, don't get ahead of yourself.
No, like it shows
Okay.
the box.
And these are air vents. They're pretty tough, actually. Okay. I still have... Oh, I found the instructions.
Instructions.
Oh, wow, look, this is how long it... Wow, that's long. That's the warming rack.
Long.
That is long, isn't it?
It
What
will do
else
a
do we...
lot of damage.
Here's one of the main... Here's the cooking plates. So those are going to go in last. So we can put those down on the floor over here.
I'm just going to put these at
Oh.
the edges.
Oh, we have found the thing we need the most.
Instructions.
Instructions and bolts.
Bolts.
And
Bolts.
okay. I'm going to need the 2 screwdrivers from upstairs.
Okay. Let me spend this. Whoop.
I also need to go and get my socket set. Here are the legs. There's 4 of those. We'll put them down on the floor there.
Where's the other screwdriver? Where's the other screwdriver?
Have you just got the green one?
Yeah.
Bring that down. And then go in the cupboard and get the socket set. This is the black and silver one from the end cupboard over there.
Okay.
So we have a screwdriver. By the looks of it, I'm going to need just a Phillips screwdriver and a socket set. I'm glad they didn't put tools in because I consider those to be tool waste. Because the tools they put in are of really bad quality. I mean, this is one of the types of tools you get freebie, but they're usually of a really bad quality. And I got my own nice tools for most of this stuff. So this set will allow me to put everything together. I don't know if I can show you there. It's one for, I think it's cars or motorbikes, but it works very well on stuff like this. So, now we need the instructions. So let's get on with this. Here's a description of all the parts.
Whoa.
We'll skip over that. Wow, lots of nuts. Gotta make sure we use the right screw for everything. Oh my god, so we start off with step 1, which is fix left leg support 11 to... Ooh, this is interesting. Okay, so we need those 2 handle parts. Yeah, those 2.
Wow.
Okay, just pick them up. Alright, I'm going to put the box down on the floor.
I need to put the wheels on the floor.
Okay, we're going to put the box down on the floor. Let me get this down on the floor. That's the first crash of the day.
The first.
I think this is the actual handle.
Let me just check it.
I don't know what these 2 are. There's 2 more handles.
Handles. like the actual support.
So I think this is the base part. Can you put that over there? Okay.
It's heavy, it's heavy.
Wait.
And this is the hood. So the hood, we need the hood and these two handles.
What about this handle?
We'll
That's.
put that one-
Oh wait, that's probably for opening it. It's probably for opening it.
Yeah, I think so. Oh, I don't need this part. I need the base part with the little holes in. This has got the wrong type of holes. I need that bit that you put on the floor.
Okay.
Can you lift it up?
Oh boy, it's kind of hard to get grip on.
It's actually made out of quite thick metal, which is quite
It's
reassuring.
basically like the little thing that they use at one story.
Yeah, true. Okay, so...
That one Christian story about how Christmas was made.
Oh, well, we'll ignore that. Right,
Yep.
carry on. So, we have... Here we are. Oh, let's put this over the table so we don't scratch anything. There we go. So, I've got to put one on one end and one on the other. It doesn't say which end, but there's a hole. Okay, so this bit goes on your end. So, round that way. And this bit goes on my end. And apparently it goes like this. No, the other way up. Put that down, Max, you're only hurting yourself. Okay, and we need to put screws through. A 14mm bolt and...
Perfect.
Okay, a 14mm bolt and an M6 nut.
M6.
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 So, these are the nuts, the M6 ones.
This is bent metal.
Okay. So this is quite a good system. So there's a little drawing of each of the part components here, and you have to pull them out one by one. So we can put them down here, and we can pull them out. So we need a 40mm bolt and an M6 nut. So if we open these up, look. Oh, that didn't work, did it? Ah. Well, that's where the... Well, it would help if it
Bad
was...
choice.
It would help if the...
It would help if it.
Oh look, we've still got pictures on the inside as well, which is really cool.
Bolt.
But these don't come up properly.
Boom. Now I assembled it.
Hold on.
Yeah, I assembled it. Hold on.
It would be good if these actually came up in one piece, then they'd be really easy to use. Okay, you need one of these. You need Max. You need the nuts as well.
Nut.
Put the nut on.
A nut.
I'll do this side. Well, hold on. Which way round does it go? Okay, yeah, you did it the right way round.
Did it?
Yeah, now put the other two on.
Other two?
Yeah, for the other two holes.
No. Well, this is the first ever Bad Food Blog episode where we actually make something.
These bolts are really long for this job.
Oh no! It's wonky.
No, you can set it straight
No,
though.
it's literally wonky. Oh wait.
Yeah, just don't tighten it up too much. We'll tighten everything up at the end,
It's supposed to be wonky to do one side.
and then then a little bit wonky. Then you'll get the other side in. But don't tighten the nuts too much. Just push them through gently. We'll tighten it all up. We'll tighten it all up in a minute. All right? I'm doing this side. Okay.
This won't stay.
What do you mean it won't stay?
It won't stay at all. Oh, now it stays.
Now it stays.
Now it stays.
Okay.
Why?
Okay.
Why does this have to be so broken?
You mean? Oh no! It lines up if you wiggle it around a bit.
Yeah, but my one has like two of it and I can barely wiggle.
Yeah, you've got to undo it a little bit. Then.
There it is.
Yeah, so I had to do the same. I had to wiggle it a bit as well. Okay, I've just done them up by hand, but we'll tighten that up later, okay?
I'm doing it by hand and all of them are so tightened.
Okay, now we need to put the legs in, apparently.
They're so tightened.
Mm-hmm.
I bet I know what the legs are.
Step 2. No, that's not the leg. Oh, that is actually... No, that's not the leg.
How is this not the leg?
These are the legs down here.
Oh. Woo.
No, don't be silly. Right, legs. Let's just the other camera. Okay, now we need to be careful because the legs are labelled, okay? Read what the label says on them.
What label? Left rod leg.
Left, right, rear leg.
Left rear leg.
Okay, so that goes with this one then. Huh? I've got, left front leg, left rear leg. So which is the front and which is the back? Oh, this is the back. Hold on. So let's look at this. 3.
How is this one not open?
Which is the front and which is the back?
I don't know.
Oh, I see. Oh, this is the front and this is the back. The back is the bit with the hinge, Max. Okay, so the rear is the bit with the hinge. Oh, well, that's silly.
This one's stuck. This one was so stuck.
Oh. Oh, we've got to take off these ones again. These bolts, because we have to put the legs through and then put the bolt on. So Max, the rear one goes on the other side and the front one goes where you're doing. Have you got the front leg or the rear leg?
I got the front leg. It literally says front leg.
Okay, that's the front leg. That means that goes in that place, yes.
But I'm trying to unscrew this bolt, but it's not working at all. You just stay in there, little thing.
Okay, then you need to put the leg up. There's a hole, but you've got to make sure the little wheel bit's pointing out. Oh, you don't have wheel bits on your side?
Yeah, because you have the wheel bits.
I do have the wheel bits. That's why this end has the handles.
It's here, it's there.
I thought this would be taller.
I bet it will be.
No, look, it's only this high.
First labor thing I ever do. Let me just move these boxes like this.
Okay.
Hey, if you need the wheels,
I will do in a minute, not at the moment though.
I'm putting them down. Yeah.
Okay.
Go on, yes, yeah. Go on, yes, yeah. Yes. So we can cook in this.
Ah, got it. Okay, there we go. Legs put together. Have you done yours?
Yep. Now, do we move it? Wait. Do we move the camera over there because to do all the other stuff?
We'll move the camera back a bit so we can see.
No. What if we move the camera like all the way there so we can?
Well, what we need
that
to do
somewhere
is, could you go get my charger? I need to get a charger. Hold on, I'm going to pause the video. Carry on from where we left off. Sorry about that. I forgot to charge my phone, and so we were down to 10% power, and it wasn't going to carry on like that. I'm using my phone as the camera. Here we are. Don't stand on the wheels.
It's really strong.
Okay, right now, next part. We've done this bit and this bit and put the bolts in. Now we need to put the wheels on.
Well, I'll help you do one wheel, I do the other.
Okay, that sounds fair. Now we need there's a clip to go through the wheel. No, not bolt. Apparently there's a clip. Those.
Those little tiny things next to the bolts.
Yeah, and this would have been really good if these had peeled up properly like they're supposed to. They're called locking kingpin.
I know how to get them out.
There's a little perforation, I can see the tab, it's just that...
Why is it always like this?
I don't know, there you go, there's one pin for you, there's one for me.
So what do we do? What do we actually do?
I think we have to put something through them as well.
This box is big enough for me.
Look at the instructions. Are we supposed to put something through? B. What's B? Max, have a look.
B.
So we've done this step, this step, this step. We're on to this step now. We have to put B, which is R pins, left leg, axe. Using the axle, pay attention to the left leg and right leg. The pins. Oh, apparently there are pins in here. Oh, axle pin B, axle pin A. So on the instructions, these are the axles. You have axle pin here. And we're taking those out now.
Hello.
Yeah. So,
So, wait, we said so at the same time.
there you go.
What do we even do?
I think
Wait, I know.
there you go.
I'll try to be careful.
Which way around do they want us to put it, the pin? Do they want the pin on the inside?
I think they want it like this.
Yeah, I know they want it like that. You got to put it. They want it on the inside or the outside? They want the pins on the inside.
Like how?
Like you've done it right. Look, so you put the wheel through, and then put the pin in, going down.
So hard.
Yeah, perfect. You got it? There you go, that's not coming out anytime soon.
Maybe it is.
Well, wheels work. Okay.
The wheels on the bus go. Ah!
Okay. Next is to connect the two cross beams. Oh, okay. So we do need to move the table out of the way.
I have a shield.
No, we have to make the cross beams on there.
Don't move the table. What if we just move it over there?
No,
behind
Ellie.
the camera.
Pull the chair back.
Wow, never listen to him.
No, not listening to you. Push the table this way a little. There we go.
Listen to him.
There we go. Just
This
check.
is big enough for me.
Right. Right then, put it on the camera. Now we've got to put no side bits. The
I
other
want to see how it would just fit.
that fits in the hood.
What hood? It's the bottom bit,
That
right?
hood there goes in there. That's the handle for the hood. Okay, Max. Let's put everything we can on the table that we need to see.
Everything we can. Ah!
Okay.
These are like pizza slices. They're sharp.
We need the two of these. We need the other one as well.
Where's the other one?
There. Now, where are the instructions? Here. Max, don't do that.
I did a little hole.
That was really bad. Come on.
How's
Here,
it really
look.
bad?
So we need to connect these with can you get me two 40mm nuts and M6 bolts again?
14. Where's the wiring?
There you go.
14mm nut.
You need bolts and you need two and just the nuts. And these go this way up.
Like this.
Yeah.
4 of these.
Yeah, you have two and I have two.
This is gonna take a long time.
So they go through like this and then the nuts on the inside. Okay?
How did I do the other side?
Well, don't do it up very tight, just do like 2 turns and then put it there. Go to the other side. Go on. You can get to the other side. No, go around the other. You don't need to go underneath.
Yes, I do. How do I do
There you
that?
go. I can't believe I read a review on the internet where someone said this took them 3 hours to put together. I think we're about 15 minutes in and we're almost done. Well, it's at least half.
Can you help us? Or can
It's
you...
at least half done. Look at it. It's pretty sturdy as well.
Can I put...
Oops.
Ah!
Let me hold it where you put the bolt through. Do you want to hand me the... Well, you got to put it up there below. There you go.
1, 2.
Yeah. No, bring it over the other one over here. Max, the other one over here. You got to put this one on as well. Or do you want to hand me the bolt and I'll do it?
You do it.
Yeah, okay. Don't move it around.
This touched it and it moved. You like my shield? Woo. Wait,
Why are there washers between the wheel and the nut?
wait, have you ever done surfing down the stairs with cars?
No, there are no washers between the wheel and the...
Makes sense. Makes enough sense. This boy is unloosening.
Oh, you know what we did wrong?
What?
We got the wheels on the wrong end. Where are you going?
Why? Okay, I'm done.
No, it's easy. Look, all we do is we undo all the screws and bolts in this part and switch it round. Okay? So don't take anything apart. Just take all the screws and bolts out and hold this bit.
How is this not unscrewing?
Just keep going. Okay, hold on. Right.
This one's so tight.
No, the last one will be. Jiggle it around to make it move.
Jiggle, jiggle. It won't jiggle. No joke, it won't jiggle.
Okay, careful.
It won't budge.
I'll get it. What if I do that? There we go.
Big sausage.
Okay. Okay, because now,
Close.
yeah, we're putting together the hood now over there on the top. Okay, there we go.
Oh wait, yeah, there. That's a good place.
Yeah, we're putting together the hood now, which we're
can
going to be
you
using
please
this.
Move so I can do stuff.
Okay, so now we're going to put the hood on the top here, okay? Move these out of the way, because we need those.
We need the screws. We need the precious instructions.
Yes, so we need this part.
Wow,
This is the hood.
Oh yeah, I was reading it upside down. I wasn't even reading it.
Okay, now we need...
Now we need to put this on
Where are the bolts?
down here.
Okay, don't start taking things... No, Max,
We gotta put it through here.
you're running ahead.
No, I actually saw that before.
Yeah, but you don't have those bolts.
Yes, it is.
It wasn't, by the way.
Which bolts?
Look, we need F. We need F and the clips. We need F and lid supports.
Do we even have any more clips?
Why can't I get anything out of this cardboard?
I can.
Okay, you try and open that. I'll try and open F. See what I mean? Yeah, it's not just me, is it?
What do you mean? This is normally how I open every toy.
I
The
know,
back
you-
of it.
I know, but it's supposed to be so you can see what the
It's
things
not
are.
even a.
Okay, so your side, do you see how they go in? Look.
Well, yeah.
And then we need C. What's C? These nuts.
I already figured out.
No. Look at the instructions.
How supposed to do it like this?
No, it goes here. Look at the instructions.
Oh.
It goes like that. No, on the inside.
Somebody help me. Do we put these bolts in?
No, this one. And then this nut the other side. So the bolt from the outside. Then screw the nut on.
Nuts and bolts. Banjo and kazoo, nuts and bolts. It's so tight.
Perfect. I've done the same. Right, we need to tighten all these up with.
Ooh, hallelujah. That one's so
Not that.
tight. That one's so Hello?
Is that actually echoing?
Yeah.
Hello? That tiny little thing over there echoes. It's like an echo chamber.
I'm a bird.
Hello, hello, hello.
Ah!
It's kind of funny, isn't it?
Ah!
Okay, I'm going to tighten that up a bit more. Max, ran the wrong way. Not on the thread on the outside.
Too late, it's so tight. It's too tight.
There you go. Put it around the right way this time. While you're doing that, I'm going to tighten the rest of the thing up, okay?
Hello. I am an echo. Tightening up, tighter, tighter, tighter.
The only design flaw I see is I really hope that's properly welded in there and not just glued. What's wrong?
This thing.
Okay, I've been using this and tightening everything.
That's a good sound.
Hmm?
That's a good sound.
You think so?
Yeah. So how do you do this?
Well, have you looked at the next part? Are you sure that's what those are for?
No, it's the small screws. There is no more small screw. It's a tiny itty bitty screw.
What's the letter it says?
E.
E. So what's
Wait,
next?
that's C. A, B,
G, H, F, E. Washers.
Oh wait, washer and then H. So we need H
Where's the washer?
here.
What are you looking at?
There.
You're looking at H. So it's H. You need two of H, yeah? And E.
I love echoes.
It is fun, isn't it? Right.
Oh.
Okay, so here's the two washers. You put those on first.
You keep echoing this and this.
Okay, do you need the screwdriver?
Knock, knock. Knock,
Max, you need the screwdriver, yeah?
knock. Screwdriver.
You need the washer and the handle.
You hold it onto. Can you hold it? I forgot the washer. What does the washer even do? And can you please hold it? I don't
Stops hot air coming out. Right, I'm holding it. You need to hold it so you can, Max, you need to hold it so you can get it in the right place. Max, you need to hold it because you need to feel where the right place is.
Boom, right place. Now you hold.
Screw it in them.
To be tighter.
The reason the washer's there, I think, is to keep the heat away.
Yeah, but the heat comes out these little pockets with a big frame. Oh! Hello. The
Okay,
big frame doesn't
so look.
echo.
That's pretty cool.
I like my new shoe.
That's pretty cool.
It's ginormous.
There we go.
Cardboard can be the new shoe of 2025.
Okay, now we put the handle on. Now we need to put the little things on. Oh. H and D. We don't have any D left. Oh, D, these little tiny ones. Max, H, and D. So, it's funny because I would have thought these would have wanted a washer, but apparently the handle needs a washer. Okay, there you go. One of those. And I'm getting the two little D nuts out.
What do we do?
Hold on.
Oh. Oh, I see it. This is Pete's. This is so sharp I can even feel it.
Okay, go on then. Alright, where's the other one? Oh, there.
Crazy.
That's Max. The screw goes from Max. Screw goes from the outside. What are you doing?
It's exactly like you would show.
Screw on the outside?
Yeah.
Okay.
And now I know why the person said on the review he spent like 3 hours on it.
Well, I don't know. We're not even gonna do. We're gonna do this in well under an hour.
If we can do this under an hour. Okay, it's loose enough that I can do this.
Pretty cool. I'm very impressed with how hardcore it is.
Jingle bells, jingle bells.
Okay, it's not Christmas, so we don't need any of that, right?
Then here's what we're gonna use for the barbecue. Cardboard.
We're not gonna burn any of that cardboard.
Oh come on! I don't want it as a shield. It's just a joke. Let's burn it with some charcoal.
We've got some wood kindling to get the charcoal going.
Wait, what wood? Where's wood?
Still going around tightening everything.
I found the wood. I found all the pieces of wood.
Okay.
That's big. Hello. There's barely any echo there. Hey, Daddy. Here comes the wood.
Okay. That bit's together.
Oh no, the wood's gonna burst.
Okay, Max, we don't need the wood yet. We're not doing it in here.
Yeah.
What kind of crazy do you think I am? Okay, next.
This is Father's Day, so
Yeah, put
well,
it
not for people who are gonna watch this video.
well, we maybe can get it up today.
Yeah, you might.
Okay. I know we're going to get to use the barbecue today. It's actually raining.
Are you joking?
Nope.
We can use the barbecue.
Okay. G.
I made a balloon.
Okay, Max, stop playing with that. We need to put this on now.
It's there.
Apparently these big bolts, G, are now the bits we have to use.
Flat layer of balloon.
Okay.
Yeah, so what do I do? There's nothing in here.
No, G. Put down.
There's nothing.
I'm going to change the camera angle so they can see what I'm doing. There we go.
Wait,
Sorry about that.
Daddy.
So now, I just had to change the camera angle. Now we're going to try and put the sides on. Which,
It's not raining.
I don't know if you can see this. I'm going to do it from the other way so you're going to be able to see.
Yay, it's not raining.
Yeah, turn this round.
I'm
There we go. And now we have to put these bits there. And then we have to screw them in. Max, I need your help with this one.
Okay. You needed the long ones.
No, I need a screwdriver. I need you to put the other side in. Just with your hand, just gently.
How am I going to do that?
Let me do it.
It's wonky.
Can you put it in if I can hold it straight there? Just need you to get a couple of gentle turns on it. No, 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 don't push it. Ah, there we are. There. And that's the lid done.
You're playing with your thingy.
Hey, look at that. It works.
Now wait, how are we?
Oh, we got a couple more things to do now.
Oh, like, if I can reach it.
We need to put this warming rack in.
What's the warming rack?
The long rack.
Oh,
This, yeah.
yes.
Yeah. So you go one side, I'll go the other.
How do we do it?
Well, apparently, there's a screw hole here that we just screw this through and then hang the rack on it.
Oh yeah, there is a screw. Screw.
You go, here's the screw.
Screw. It's not even straight.
Cool. That's putting the rack part in.
I'm still doing it.
Okay, there we go. I've just adjusted the camera a bit.
So now we can have small stuff like burgers or something in there.
Yeah, that's a warming rack.
When we're...
And look, it swings
I'm not even done, so stop.
and it doesn't come off by accident. Oh, you can take it off.
Daddy!
You can take it off manually, but it's quite hard to come off. You screwed it all the way in?
Nope.
Okay, cool.
It's in.
And next, we put the charcoal grate in.
Oh,
That's what this is.
I'm predicting
This is
it goes here.
the charcoal grate into the fireball. So this keeps the hot coals from touching the metal, I think.
What's the fireball? This.
Yes. So
That
this,
is metal.
that goes in there,
What? How? Why?
like that. I would have thought. I would have thought it went that way up.
The last two bits
I would have thought it went.
coming out.
I would have thought it went that way up, but that's just me because that's way more stable.
Say hello to my little friends.
But the instructions say that way up. Well, that doesn't make much
Say
sense.
hello to my little friends.
Those are the grill plans, and they go in here, and then this allows us access to the charcoal.
Yeah, but it's not raining. It's not raining. We can use this.
You want to use it now
Yeah, for dinner.
for dinner?
I know what to. I'm going to choose. Let's wait. First of all, we have to choose something.
There's only bacon and sausages, the only things we have that can go on there.
Okay, bacon, and we can do bacon to make a.
So this took
lovely
us about half an hour, yeah?
Yeah. Wait, we can have a bacon sandwich and a sausage.
I mean,
And
there's
hot dog.
there's some flimsy things about it. Like that could be a bit
Like
less
this?
flimsy. No,
Like
that's not that. It's a little bit flimsy, but I mean,
Okay, let's use this. Let's use this.
you don't take outside and use
Yeah,
it.
come on. Let's. Wait, how do we get it up the stairs?
Well, I'm going to have to carry it, obviously.
This is surprisingly light.
Okay, so the next part of the video will be us using the barbecue. This is going to get probably heavily edited down.